Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here today. I'm pleased to welcome you to this session titled A Quick Guide to Basic GMP. Today, we'll explore the fundamental principles of good manufacturing practices, or GMP, and how they are essential for quality and compliance in our industry. Over the next few slides, we'll cover key concepts, guidelines, and best practices that will help you understand and implement GMP effectively. So, let's get started and make this an engaging and informative session for all of us. Welcome to our quick guide to basic GMP, or good manufacturing practices. In this part of our presentation, I'll walk you through the essential points that form the foundation of GMP. These guidelines are crucial because they ensure the quality, safety, and efficacy of the products we produce. Throughout this presentation, you'll see how these principles connect to our overall goal of maintaining high standards in manufacturing. So, let's dive into the key concepts that everyone involved in production should understand and follow. Why GMP? Well, GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practice, and it's really the foundation of quality in our industry. Today, I want to give you a quick guide to the basic principles of GMP, so you understand what it's all about and why it's so essential. Basically, GMP ensures that our products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's about making sure safety, quality, and efficacy are maintained at every step. When we follow these guidelines, we reduce risks like contamination, mix-ups, or errors that could compromise our products. So, in today's presentation, as we explore the overall landscape, keep in mind that GMP is the backbone that supports all of our work in delivering safe and reliable products. So, why is GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practice, so important? Well, it serves as the foundation for ensuring the quality, safety, and efficacy of our products. Today, I'll give you a quick guide to the basics of GMP, so we all understand what it really entails. Essentially, GMP is a set of principles that guide us through every step of manufacturing, from raw materials to finished products. It helps us maintain consistency and prevent contamination or errors. By following these guidelines, we can ensure our products meet regulatory standards and, most importantly, meet our customers' expectations. Throughout this presentation, you'll see how GMP underpins everything we do, reinforcing our commitment to quality and safety in the industry. So, why is GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practice, so important? Well, it's really the foundation for ensuring that the products we produce are safe, effective, and of consistent quality. Today, I'll give you a quick guide to the basics of GMP so you can see how it all fits into our overall goal of delivering trustworthy products. First, GMP sets the standards for all aspects of production, from raw materials to the final packaging. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining a clean and controlled environment to prevent contamination. Then, there's the focus on proper documentation, making sure every step is recorded accurately so we have traceability and accountability. It also highlights the need for trained personnel who understand their roles and follow strict procedures. Overall, GMP is about building a culture of quality that permeates every part of the manufacturing process. This ensures we meet regulatory requirements, and most importantly, that the products reaching consumers are safe and reliable. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This slide highlights some key points that are essential for maintaining quality and safety in manufacturing. First, GMP is all about ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's the foundation that helps prevent contamination, mix-ups, and errors. Next, following GMP means paying close attention to cleanliness and hygiene in the manufacturing environment. This includes proper sanitation of equipment and facilities, which is crucial for safeguarding product integrity. Another critical aspect is personnel training. Well-trained staff understand their responsibilities and follow proper procedures, which directly impacts product quality. Documentation is also a core element. Keeping accurate records of processes, batch production, and quality checks helps create a transparent trail that can be reviewed and audited. Finally, GMP isn't just a one-time checklist. It's a continuous commitment to quality and improvement. When we adhere to these principles, we build trust with regulators, partners, and most importantly, with the consumers who rely on our products. This slide ties into the overall theme of quality assurance and the importance of systematic practices in our industry. It's about embedding quality into every step of the manufacturing process. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is fundamental to ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. First, GMP covers a wide range of areas, from cleanliness and hygiene to proper documentation and staff training. It's all about creating a controlled environment where products are consistently produced to meet quality standards. One key point is the importance of maintaining cleanliness and hygiene at every stage. This helps prevent contamination and ensures product integrity. Next, proper equipment handling and regular calibration are essential to produce reliable results. Documentation plays a crucial role too. Accurate records ensure traceability and accountability, which are vital in case of any issues. Finally, training staff thoroughly and regularly keeps everyone aligned with GMP principles and practices. Connecting this to our overall theme, adopting these basic GMP principles not only protects consumers, but also enhances our reputation and compliance with regulations. It's the foundation upon which quality manufacturing is built. Let's take a quick look at a basic overview of GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This slide is designed to give you a clear, straightforward guide to the essential principles that underpin quality and safety in manufacturing. First, GMP is all about ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's the backbone of regulatory compliance and helps protect consumers from risks associated with poor quality or contaminated products. Key points include maintaining a clean and hygienic environment, which is critical to prevent contamination. This means proper sanitation, pest control, and facility maintenance are non-negotiable. Another crucial aspect is proper documentation. Everything, every process, every test, every step must be accurately recorded. This creates a reliable trail that can be reviewed and verified, which is vital for accountability and quality assurance. Personnel training is also fundamental. Everyone involved must understand GMP requirements and follow the correct procedures consistently. This helps maintain product integrity and safety across the board. Finally, I want to emphasize that GMP is not just a set of rules. It's a culture of quality that should be embedded in every aspect of manufacturing. When we adhere to these principles, we build trust with regulators, clients, and ultimately, the consumers who rely on our products. So keep these core concepts in mind as we move forward. GMP is about consistency, safety, and quality at every step of the process. Let's take a moment to go over a quick guide to basic GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This is a fundamental part of ensuring product quality and safety. First, it's all about maintaining cleanliness and proper hygiene throughout the manufacturing process. This helps prevent contamination and ensures that the products are safe for consumers. Next, temperature control is crucial. Consistently monitoring and controlling temperatures during production and storage helps preserve the integrity of the product. Another key point is thorough documentation. Keeping detailed records of each step in the manufacturing process not only ensures traceability, but also helps us identify and correct issues promptly. Training staff properly is also vital. Well-trained personnel understand the importance of GMP and follow procedures carefully, which reduces errors. Finally, regular quality checks and audits are essential. They help us verify that all practices are being followed correctly and that the product meets quality standards. Overall, these basic GMP principles are the foundation of high-quality, safe products. They connect directly to our goal of producing reliable, consistent, and safe products for our consumers. Let's take a moment to go through a quick guide to basic GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This is essential because it forms the foundation of quality and safety in our operations. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of maintaining a clean and hygienic environment to prevent contamination. This means that everything from the facilities to the equipment must be kept in top condition. Next, it's about ensuring proper documentation, keeping detailed records of procedures, batch numbers, and quality checks. These records are critical for traceability and accountability. Another key point is staff training. Everyone involved must be properly trained and aware of their responsibilities to uphold GMP standards. Lastly, GMP requires regular audits and inspections to identify and address any issues proactively. Connecting all these points, the core idea is that consistent adherence to GMP practices helps us deliver safe, high-quality products and aligns with our overall commitment to excellence in manufacturing. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is fundamental to ensuring product quality and safety. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of maintaining a clean and controlled manufacturing environment. This helps prevent contamination and ensures consistency. Next, it's crucial to follow strict procedures and documentation at every step. This not only ensures compliance, but also allows us to trace and verify processes if needed. Training and hygiene are also key. Making sure everyone understands their roles and practices proper hygiene reduces risks significantly. Finally, regular audits and inspections help us identify areas for improvement and stay aligned with regulatory standards. Overall, these principles form the backbone of reliable, safe manufacturing, and they tie directly into our broader goal of delivering quality products to consumers. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practice, or GMP. This is essential for ensuring the quality and safety of our products. First, GMP covers the fundamental principles that everyone in the manufacturing process should follow to prevent contamination, mix-ups, and errors. It's about establishing a strong foundation for consistent quality. Next, it emphasizes the importance of proper cleanliness and hygiene, keeping all equipment and facilities sterile and well-maintained. This reduces the risk of introducing impurities. Another key point is documentation. Accurate records are crucial because they provide traceability and accountability for every step of production. This way, if any issues arise, we can track back and identify what happened. Training personnel is also vital. Well-trained staff understand the importance of GMP and know how to handle materials correctly, which directly impacts product quality. Finally, regular inspections and audits help us stay compliant and identify areas for improvement. Remember, GMP isn't a one-time effort. It's an ongoing commitment to quality. By following these basic principles, we can ensure that our products meet the highest standards and maintain consumer trust. This is all aligned with our overall goal of delivering safe, effective, and high-quality products to those who need them. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This slide is all about the key points you need to understand to ensure quality and safety in manufacturing. First, GMP sets the foundation for producing consistent, high-quality products. It covers everything from proper cleanliness and hygiene to the correct handling of raw materials. It's essential to emphasize that GMP isn't just a set of rules. It's about creating a culture of quality in every step of the process. That means training staff properly, maintaining accurate records, and making sure equipment is properly calibrated and maintained. By following these basic principles, we reduce risks like contamination or errors, which ultimately protects consumers and maintains brand integrity. Remember, GMP is integral to the overall theme of quality management. It's about building trust through every product we deliver. So, keeping these points in mind helps us uphold the standards that are vital for success in our industry. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practice, or GMP. This is essential for ensuring the quality and safety of our products. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of a clean and hygienic environment, which helps prevent contamination. Next, it's crucial to have well-documented procedures and records. This ensures consistency and traceability throughout the manufacturing process. Another key point is training. Everyone involved needs to be properly trained and aware of their responsibilities. This ensures that all steps are performed correctly and safely. Additionally, GMP requires regular quality control checks and validations to catch any issues early and maintain high standards. Finally, these principles are connected to the overall theme of quality assurance, making sure our products are safe, effective, and meet all regulatory requirements. Following these basic GMP guidelines helps us build trust with our customers and uphold the integrity of our manufacturing process. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is really the foundation for ensuring quality and safety in our manufacturing processes. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of maintaining a clean and hygienic environment. This helps prevent contamination and ensures the integrity of our products. Next, it's about strict process controls, making sure every step is documented, followed precisely, and consistently. This consistency is what guarantees that each batch meets our quality standards. Another key point is proper training. Every team member must be well-trained and understand their role in maintaining GMP standards. This teamwork and awareness are crucial for compliance. Finally, GMP requires regular quality checks and audits. These help us identify any issues early and continuously improve our processes. By following these core principles, we connect to the overall theme of quality assurance, making sure that every product that leaves our facility is safe, effective, and reliable for our customers. Let's take a quick look at a simple guide to basic GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This is essential to ensure that the products we produce are safe, consistent, and of high quality. First, it's all about precaution and control in every step of the manufacturing process. We want to make sure that everything from raw materials to the final product is handled with care and precision. Next, cleanliness and hygiene are fundamental. This helps prevent contamination and ensures the integrity of our products. It's important to maintain a clean environment and proper personal hygiene for everyone involved. Then, proper documentation is key. Keeping accurate records of procedures, batch numbers, and quality checks not only helps with traceability, but also demonstrates compliance with regulatory standards. Finally, training and supervision are critical. Well-trained staff who understand GMP principles can identify potential issues early and maintain the quality standards consistently. By adhering to these basic principles, we support the overall goal of producing safe, effective products that meet both regulatory requirements and consumer expectations. It's all interconnected. Each part plays a role in the bigger picture of quality assurance. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This slide highlights some key points that are essential for maintaining quality and safety in manufacturing processes. First, GMP is all about ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's the foundation for building trust with consumers and regulators. Next, it's important to understand that GMP covers a wide range of topics, including personnel hygiene, proper equipment, and cleanliness. Each of these elements plays a vital role in preventing contamination or errors. Another critical aspect is documentation, keeping detailed records of all processes and quality checks. This not only helps in maintaining consistency, but also provides traceability in case of issues. Remember, GMP isn't a one-time effort, it's a continuous commitment to quality. By following these guidelines, we ensure that our products meet safety standards and customer expectations. Connecting this to the overall theme, it underscores that quality isn't just a goal, it's a fundamental part of how we operate every day. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This is fundamental to ensuring that the products we produce are safe, effective, and of consistent quality. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of a clean and hygienic environment because contamination can compromise the entire process. Next, it's about having clearly defined procedures and strict documentation, so every step is traceable and accountable. Training staff properly is also crucial. Everyone needs to understand their role and follow protocols precisely. Equipment must be regularly maintained and calibrated to prevent errors. And finally, quality control checks at various stages help catch issues early before products reach the market. All these elements work together to uphold product integrity, which is at the heart of our overall goal, delivering safe and reliable products to those who need them. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is crucial because it sets the foundation for producing safe and high-quality products. When we talk about GMP, we're referring to a set of principles and procedures that manufacturers follow to ensure consistency, safety, and quality. It's all about making sure that every step, from raw materials to finished product, meets strict standards. Remember, the key points include proper cleanliness and hygiene, strict control of the manufacturing environment, and thorough documentation. These elements help prevent contamination and errors, which are vital for maintaining product integrity. Additionally, GMP emphasizes the importance of trained personnel. Well-trained staff are essential because they understand the procedures and why they're important, reducing risks of mistakes. Finally, documentation is not just paperwork. It's a record of what was done, when, and by whom. This traceability allows us to identify issues quickly and ensure accountability. Connecting this to our overall theme, implementing these basic GMP principles is fundamental to building trust with our consumers and complying with regulations. It's the backbone of quality assurance in any manufacturing process. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is essential for ensuring the quality and safety of our products. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of maintaining a clean and organized manufacturing environment. This helps prevent contamination and mix-ups. Next, it's crucial to follow strict procedures and documentation practices. This way, every step is traceable, and any issues can be quickly identified and corrected. Personal hygiene and proper training of staff are also core principles. Well-trained, conscientious staff make a big difference. Additionally, regular equipment maintenance and validation are key to keeping processes consistent and reliable. Overall, GMP is about creating a culture of quality, where every detail matters and continuous improvement is part of our daily routine. It's the foundation that supports the integrity of our entire operation, aligning perfectly with our commitment to excellence. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practice, or GMP. This slide summarizes some of the key principles that ensure quality and safety in our manufacturing processes. First, GMP is all about maintaining consistency and control throughout production. It's about making sure that every product meets the required quality standards every single time. One of the most important points is the emphasis on cleanliness and hygiene. Keeping our facilities and equipment spotless helps prevent contamination and ensures product integrity. Next, proper documentation is critical. Every step we take needs to be recorded precisely, so we can trace back if any issues arise later on. Another key aspect is trained personnel, making sure everyone understands their responsibilities and follows the correct procedures. This also ties into the importance of validation and verification, regularly checking that our processes work as intended and producing consistent results. Lastly, GMP is not a one-time effort. It's an ongoing commitment to quality. It connects directly to our overall goal of delivering safe, effective products to our customers. By following these fundamental principles, we uphold the integrity of our manufacturing and protect consumer health. Let's take a quick look at a simple guide to basic GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This is really the foundation of ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. First, it's all about maintaining cleanliness and hygiene throughout the manufacturing environment. This helps prevent contamination and ensures that products are safe for consumers. Next, it's crucial to follow strict procedures and document everything carefully. Accurate records allow us to trace back any issues and ensure compliance with regulations. Consistency is key. Every batch must meet the same high standards, which means strict adherence to established protocols. Training staff properly is also vital. Well-trained personnel understand the importance of GMP and know how to implement it correctly. It's this attention to detail and discipline that uphold the integrity of our products. Ultimately, these basic GMP principles support our overall goal, delivering safe, effective, and high-quality products to consumers. Keeping these concepts in mind helps us stay aligned with regulatory requirements and maintain trust with our customers. Let's take a quick look at a simple guide to basic GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This is really the foundation for ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. First, it's essential to understand that GMP covers everything from cleanliness to proper documentation. These practices help us prevent contamination, mix-ups, and errors that could compromise the product. One key point is that GMP isn't just a set of rules. It's about creating a culture of quality in every step of manufacturing. It starts with proper training, making sure everyone knows their role and the importance of following procedures. Next, maintaining a clean and organized environment is crucial because a tidy workspace minimizes risks of contamination. Documentation is another core element. Accurate records ensure traceability and accountability. Every batch, every process should be well documented so we can verify compliance and quickly address any issues. Finally, regular audits and ongoing training keep GMP practices alive and effective. Remember, these practices are not just about meeting regulations. They're about safeguarding the end consumer and maintaining our reputation for quality. When we embed GMP into our daily routines, we're supporting the overall theme of quality assurance and continuous improvement. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is essential because it forms the foundation for ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. When we talk about GMP, we're focusing on key principles like maintaining cleanliness, proper documentation, and consistent procedures. These elements help us prevent contamination and errors, ultimately safeguarding consumer health. It's also important to remember that GMP isn't just a set of rules. It's a mindset that should be integrated into every part of our manufacturing process. By following these guidelines, we reinforce our commitment to quality and compliance, which is crucial for maintaining trust and meeting regulatory standards. So, keep these core concepts in mind as we move forward in our overall discussion on quality assurance. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This is really the foundation for ensuring quality and safety in production. First, it's all about consistency, making sure every batch of product meets the same high standards. Next, hygiene plays a crucial role. Maintaining a clean environment helps prevent contamination. Proper documentation is also key. Keeping detailed records ensures traceability and accountability. Training staff thoroughly ensures everyone understands and follows these practices diligently. Lastly, regular quality control checks are vital. They help catch any issues early and maintain compliance. Remember, these principles are central to the entire quality assurance process and tie directly into our overall goal of delivering safe, effective products to consumers. Let's take a quick look at a guide to basic GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This slide highlights some key points that are essential for maintaining quality and safety in our manufacturing processes. First, GMP is all about ensuring products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's the foundation that helps us prevent contamination, mix-ups, and errors. One of the most important aspects is proper personnel training. Everyone involved needs to understand their role and follow strict procedures. Next, we have the importance of clean and hygienic facilities. This cannot be overstated, as a clean environment directly impacts product safety. Another critical point is thorough documentation. Keeping accurate records helps us trace issues back to their source and maintain compliance. And finally, regular quality checks and audits are vital. They help us identify areas for improvement and ensure ongoing adherence to GMP standards. Connecting all these points back to our overall theme, GMP is about building a culture of quality and accountability. It's not just about checking boxes, it's about embedding safety and excellence into every step of our process. Let's take a quick look at some basic good manufacturing practices, or GMP for short. This slide summarizes the key points that ensure our products are safe, effective, and of high quality. First, maintaining a clean and hygienic environment is absolutely essential. This helps prevent contamination at every stage. Next, proper documentation is crucial. It creates a clear record of all processes and helps us trace any issues back to their source. Training staff regularly is another vital component. Well-trained personnel are our first line of defense against errors. We also need to follow validated procedures consistently, which guarantees that our processes produce reliable results every time. Lastly, regular quality testing and audits are necessary to catch potential problems early and ensure ongoing compliance. Altogether, these principles form the backbone of GMP and tie into our overall goal of delivering safe, high-quality products to our customers. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is essential because it helps ensure that the products we develop are safe, effective, and of high quality. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of maintaining a clean and controlled environment in the manufacturing area. This means regular cleaning, proper sanitation, and controlling contaminants. Next, it's crucial to have well-documented procedures and records. This helps us track every step of the process, ensuring consistency and accountability. Training is also a key point, making sure everyone understands and follows the procedures consistently. Equipment maintenance and calibration are vital too, to prevent any deviations that could impact product quality. Lastly, GMP isn't a one-time effort. It's an ongoing commitment to continuous improvement and compliance. By adhering to these principles, we uphold the integrity of our products and protect public health, tying back to our overall goal of delivering safe, reliable medicines. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is really the foundation for ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of a clean and hygienic environment. Maintaining cleanliness helps prevent contamination and ensures that products meet quality standards. Next, it's crucial to have well-documented procedures. Clear documentation not only guides our staff, but also provides traceability and accountability throughout the manufacturing process. Another key point is proper training for all personnel. Well-trained staff are essential because they understand the standards they need to uphold and can identify potential issues early. Equipment maintenance is also vital. Regular checks and calibrations help prevent failures that could compromise product quality. Lastly, GMP requires continuous monitoring and quality control checks. This ongoing oversight ensures that any deviations are caught quickly and corrective actions are taken promptly. Overall, these principles tie back to our larger goal, delivering safe, effective products to our customers. Following a solid GMP foundation helps us build trust and uphold our company's reputation for quality. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practice, or GMP. This slide highlights some fundamental principles that are essential for ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. First, following GMP means adhering to strict standards for cleanliness, proper documentation, and process control. It's about creating a consistent environment where every step is carefully monitored and recorded. This helps us prevent contamination, mix-ups, and errors that could compromise the product. Remember, GMP isn't just a set of rules, it's a mindset focused on quality at every stage. By integrating these practices, we align with the overall goal of delivering safe, effective products to our consumers. So, keep these key points in mind as the foundation of good manufacturing, because they ensure trust, compliance, and excellence in everything we do. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is essential because it ensures that the products we make are safe, effective, and of high quality. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of maintaining cleanliness and hygiene throughout the manufacturing process. This helps prevent contamination and ensures a safe product for consumers. Next, it's crucial to have proper documentation and record keeping. This way, we can trace every step of production and ensure compliance with standards. Training staff properly is also a key point. Everyone involved needs to understand their role and follow established procedures diligently. Lastly, regular inspections and quality checks are vital to catch any issues early and maintain consistent quality. Overall, these principles form the backbone of reliable manufacturing, helping us deliver trustworthy products that meet regulatory requirements and consumer expectations. Let's take a quick look at a guide to basic GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This is really the foundation of ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. First, it's essential to understand that GMP covers a wide range of practices, from personnel hygiene to equipment validation. These standards help prevent contamination, mix-ups, and errors that could compromise product quality. Next, it's important to emphasize that documentation is key. Keeping accurate, thorough records supports traceability and accountability at every step. This also means that everyone involved must be properly trained and aware of GMP requirements. Training isn't just a one-time thing, it's ongoing. Another critical point is cleanliness and sanitation. Regular cleaning schedules and proper maintenance help maintain a controlled environment. And finally, always remember that GMP isn't just a set of rules. It's a mindset that centers on quality and safety in everything we do. By integrating these principles into our daily routines, we're not only complying with regulations, but also ensuring that our products are safe and effective for the people who rely on them. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practice, or GMP. This is really the foundation for ensuring quality and safety in our manufacturing processes. First, it's important to understand that GMP covers all aspects of production, from starting materials to the final product. It's about making sure every step is controlled and documented properly. Key points include maintaining a clean and hygienic environment, which helps prevent contamination. It also involves rigorous training for staff, so everyone knows their responsibilities and follows proper procedures. Consistency is critical, meaning we need to have clear protocols that are followed every time to produce uniform results. Another crucial aspect is thorough record keeping. Detailed documentation allows us to trace back any issues and verify compliance. Regular quality checks and audits are also vital to catch problems early and ensure continuous improvement. Overall, these principles tie into our broader goal of delivering safe, effective products to our customers. GMP isn't just a set of rules, it's a mindset of quality and responsibility that underpins everything we do. Let's take a quick look at a guide to basic GMP, or good manufacturing practice. This is essential for ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. First, it's about establishing clear protocols for every step, from raw materials to finished products. Consistency is key, making sure each batch meets the same high standards. Next, it involves thorough documentation, keeping detailed records so we can trace everything back if needed. Training is also critical. Everyone involved must understand and follow GMP guidelines. Lastly, regular audits and inspections help us identify any issues early and maintain compliance. Remember, these principles are the foundation of building trust with our customers and regulators, and they tie directly into our overall commitment to quality. So, mastering these basics ensures we deliver safe products consistently. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is essential because GMP sets the foundation for producing safe and effective products. First, it's all about ensuring quality from the very beginning of the manufacturing process. That means maintaining a clean and controlled environment and making sure all equipment is properly calibrated and maintained. Next, it's crucial to follow documented procedures consistently. This helps prevent errors and ensures everyone is on the same page. Training staff thoroughly is also key, because knowledgeable personnel are our best defense against mistakes. Additionally, quality control checks at various stages help catch issues early, so they don't impact the final product. And finally, keeping detailed records is vital for traceability and accountability. When we connect these points, it's clear that GMP isn't just a set of rules. It's about creating a culture of quality and safety throughout the entire manufacturing process. This approach ultimately supports our goal of delivering trustworthy products to consumers. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This slide highlights some key points that are essential for maintaining quality and safety in our manufacturing processes. First, GMP is all about ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's the foundation for building trust with regulators and customers alike. Next, it emphasizes the importance of a clean and hygienic manufacturing environment. This helps prevent contamination and ensures product integrity. Following GMP also means having proper documentation and records. This is critical for traceability and accountability. Every step of the process should be well documented, so we can verify and review our procedures as needed. Additionally, staff training is a cornerstone of GMP. Everyone involved must be properly trained and aware of their responsibilities. This helps reduce errors and maintain high standards across the board. Finally, it's about continuous improvement. Regular audits, reviews, and updates to our procedures ensure that we keep up with evolving standards and technologies. Connecting all these points to our overall theme, GMP isn't just a set of rules. It's a mindset that drives quality, safety, and excellence throughout our operations. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This slide highlights some key points that are essential for maintaining quality and safety in our manufacturing processes. First, GMP is all about ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's the backbone of product integrity. Next, it emphasizes the importance of cleanliness and hygiene in the production environment. This helps prevent contamination and ensures that every product meets safety requirements. Another core aspect is proper documentation, keeping detailed records at each step. This not only helps with traceability, but also ensures accountability throughout the process. Training is also a critical component. Well-trained staff are our first line of defense against errors and deviations. They understand the importance of following procedures precisely. Additionally, regular validation and calibration of equipment ensure that everything functions correctly and consistently. All these points connect to the bigger picture of quality assurance and regulatory compliance. By following these basic GMP principles, we uphold product quality, protect consumers, and maintain our reputation. Remember, GMP isn't just a set of rules. It's a mindset that permeates every part of our manufacturing process. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practice, or GMP. This is fundamental to ensuring the quality and safety of our products. First, GMP sets the standards for how we should design, control, and maintain our manufacturing processes. It's all about consistency and quality assurance. Second, it emphasizes the importance of a clean and well-organized environment, which helps prevent contamination and errors. Third, it requires proper documentation at every step, so we have a clear record of what's been done, which is crucial for traceability and accountability. Lastly, GMP encourages a quality-first mindset among all team members, fostering a culture where safety and quality are everyone's responsibility. Overall, these principles are essential for maintaining trust with regulators, customers, and our stakeholders, ensuring that what we produce is safe and effective. Let's take a quick look at some basic GMP principles that are essential for ensuring quality and safety. First, good manufacturing practice, or GMP, is all about making sure products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's the foundation that helps us prevent contamination, mix-ups, and errors. One key point is that GMP covers everything from the cleanliness of our facilities to the training of personnel. Proper hygiene and sanitation are crucial to prevent any contamination. Equally important is the thorough documentation of every step in the manufacturing process. This creates traceability and accountability. Another vital aspect is quality control, testing raw materials, in-process materials, and finished products to verify they meet specifications. This ensures we're delivering safe and effective products to consumers. Overall, these principles tie back to our bigger goal, protecting public health and maintaining trust in our products. Following these basic GMP guidelines is not just about compliance, it's about doing the right thing every step of the way. Let's take a quick look at some basic good manufacturing practices, or GMP, which are essential to ensure the quality and safety of our products. First, GMP guidelines are all about establishing a solid foundation for manufacturing processes. They help us guarantee that each product is consistently produced to the highest standards. Key points include maintaining a clean and controlled environment, which prevents contamination and ensures product integrity. It's also critical to follow documented procedures closely. This means everyone knows exactly what to do and how to do it, reducing variability. Another important aspect is proper training. Well-trained staff are vital because they understand the importance of GMP and follow protocols diligently. Regular record keeping is also a cornerstone. Accurate records allow us to trace everything and ensure accountability. Finally, ongoing quality control and audits are necessary to catch any issues early and continuously improve our processes. Connecting all these points back to the broader theme, GMP isn't just about compliance. It's about building a culture of quality that reassures our customers and protects public health. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is essential because it ensures that the products we produce meet quality and safety standards. When we talk about GMP, we're really emphasizing the importance of consistent quality control throughout the manufacturing process. Key points include maintaining a clean and hygienic environment, which helps prevent contamination. It's also about proper equipment maintenance and validation to ensure everything functions correctly. Staff training is another critical component. Everyone needs to understand their roles and follow procedures precisely. Documentation plays a huge role too. Keeping accurate records helps us trace any issues and verify compliance. Overall, GMP is about creating a culture of quality where every step in production is controlled and monitored. This foundation supports the broader theme of delivering safe, effective products to our consumers. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is essential for ensuring that our products meet quality and safety standards. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of maintaining a clean and organized manufacturing environment. This helps prevent contamination and errors. Next, it's crucial to follow strict protocols for equipment and raw materials, making sure everything is properly tested and stored. Documentation is another key point. Accurate records ensure traceability and accountability at every step. Training staff thoroughly is also vital, so everyone understands and follows the procedures correctly. Overall, GMP is about building quality into every part of the manufacturing process, which ties directly into our goal of delivering safe, reliable products to consumers. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is really the foundation for ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. First, it's all about maintaining cleanliness and controlling contamination, keeping our work environments and equipment spotless. Next, proper documentation is crucial. Every step needs to be recorded accurately to ensure traceability and accountability. Training is another key point, making sure everyone knows and follows the correct procedures. Lastly, regular inspections and quality checks help us catch issues early and maintain high standards. Remember, these principles are central to the overall goal of delivering safe, effective products to our consumers. Keeping these basics in mind helps us stay compliant and uphold our reputation for quality. Let's take a quick look at a simple guide to basic good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is really the foundation for ensuring quality and safety in our products. First, it's all about maintaining a clean and hygienic environment. This means regular cleaning and sanitizing of equipment and facilities to prevent contamination. Next, we need to ensure proper documentation of every step. This creates accountability and traceability. It's crucial that everyone follows standardized procedures, so consistency is maintained across production batches. Training staff properly is key, because knowledgeable personnel are our first line of defense against errors. Also, monitoring processes continuously helps us catch issues early and maintain high standards. And finally, handling deviations promptly and thoroughly ensures we address problems before they impact quality. These core principles tie back to our overall goal, delivering safe, reliable products to consumers. So, keeping these basic GMP principles in mind is essential for building trust and ensuring success in our industry. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is essential for ensuring the quality and safety of our products. First, GMP covers a wide range of practices, from the cleanliness of our facilities to the proper handling of raw materials. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining a controlled environment to prevent contamination. Another key point is thorough documentation. Everything we do needs to be recorded accurately, so we have a clear trail of our processes. This is vital for accountability and for audits. Training is also a cornerstone of GMP. Everyone involved must be properly trained and aware of the procedures they need to follow. Consistency is crucial. Adhering to these practices every time ensures the integrity of our products. Finally, GMP isn't just about following rules. It's about fostering a culture of quality. When everyone understands and commits to these principles, we can confidently deliver safe, effective products to our customers. This quick guide ties back to our overall goal of quality assurance and continuous improvement in our manufacturing processes. Let's take a quick look at what a basic GMP, or good manufacturing practice, entails. This slide serves as a straightforward guide to the essentials. First, GMP is all about ensuring quality and safety in manufacturing processes, especially in the pharmaceutical and biotech industries. It's about establishing a solid foundation so that every product meets consistent standards. Key points include strict hygiene standards, proper documentation, and validated procedures. These elements are crucial because they help prevent contamination, mix-ups, or errors that could compromise product quality. Another important aspect is training, making sure everyone involved understands their role and follows the established protocols. Remember, GMP isn't just a set of rules, it's a culture of quality that permeates every step of production. Connecting this to our overall theme, maintaining good manufacturing practices is essential for building trust, ensuring compliance, and ultimately delivering safe, effective products to patients. So, keeping these principles in mind helps us uphold the integrity of our manufacturing processes at every level. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to GMP, or good manufacturing practices. This is really the foundation for ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. First, it's important to remember that GMP covers all aspects of production, from starting materials to the final product. It's about having strict controls in place to prevent contamination, mix-ups, or errors. Key points include maintaining a clean and hygienic environment, which is essential for product integrity. Equally important is proper documentation. Keeping detailed records of every step helps us trace and verify processes if needed. Training staff thoroughly is another critical aspect. Everyone involved must understand and follow GMP standards consistently. Connecting this to our overall goal, delivering safe, high-quality products, GMP acts as our safeguard throughout manufacturing. By adhering to these principles, we not only meet regulatory requirements but also build trust with our consumers. Remember, GMP isn't just a set of rules, it's a mindset that ensures excellence at every stage. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is really the foundation for ensuring quality and safety in our production processes. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of a clean and hygienic environment. This helps prevent contamination and maintains product integrity. Next, it highlights the need for proper equipment maintenance and calibration, so everything functions correctly and consistently. Another key point is strict personnel hygiene and training. Everyone involved needs to understand their role in maintaining quality standards. Documentation also plays a critical role. Keeping accurate records helps us trace and verify every step of our process. Lastly, GMP encourages a proactive approach to quality, identifying potential issues early and addressing them promptly. Connecting this to the overall theme, following these basic GMP principles is essential for building trust with regulators and customers alike. It's about creating a culture of quality that permeates every aspect of production. Let's take a moment to go through a quick guide to basic GMP, or good manufacturing practice. This is a fundamental part of ensuring quality and safety in our processes. First, it's essential to understand that GMP covers a wide range of practices, from cleanroom protocols to proper documentation. These standards are designed to prevent contamination, mix-ups, and errors, which could compromise product integrity. Next, I want to highlight the importance of training. Every team member must be trained and consistently follow GMP guidelines to maintain a high standard of compliance. Remember, even small deviations can lead to significant issues down the line. Another key point is documentation. Accurate, thorough records are the backbone of GMP. They provide traceability and accountability, which are crucial during audits and investigations. Lastly, continuous monitoring and improvement are vital. GMP isn't a one-time setup, it's an ongoing commitment to quality. Regular reviews, audits, and updates to procedures help us stay aligned with current best practices and regulations. By understanding and applying these basic principles, we reinforce the overall theme of quality assurance and safety in everything we do. Let's take a quick look at a basic guide to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This is crucial because it helps ensure that our products are safe, effective, and of high quality. First, GMP emphasizes the importance of a clean and well-maintained environment. This means proper sanitation and hygiene are non-negotiable. Next, it's about having clear, documented procedures for every step of production. Consistency is key, so everyone follows the same steps every time. Another important point is personnel training. Well-trained staff are essential because they understand the importance of quality and follow protocols diligently. Quality control checks are also a fundamental part of GMP. Regular testing and inspections catch issues early and prevent substandard products from reaching consumers. Finally, GMP encourages a culture of continuous improvement. We should always be looking for ways to enhance our processes and prevent errors before they happen. Remember, these principles are interconnected and support the overall goal of delivering safe, reliable products. Keeping these basics in mind helps us uphold the integrity of our manufacturing practices and maintain consumer trust. Let's take a moment to go through this quick guide to basic GMP. First and foremost, good manufacturing practice, or GMP, is all about ensuring the quality and safety of the products we make. It's the foundation that helps us maintain consistency and meet regulatory standards. When we talk about GMP, we're referring to a set of principles that guide every step of the manufacturing process. Key points include maintaining a clean and controlled environment, properly training staff, and documenting everything meticulously. These practices help prevent contamination, errors, and mix-ups. It's also crucial to have clear procedures in place and to follow them strictly. This keeps everyone on the same page and minimizes risks. Connecting this to our overall theme, GMP isn't just about compliance. It's about building trust with consumers and regulators by delivering safe and effective products consistently. So remember, adherence to GMP isn't an extra step. It's an essential part of responsible manufacturing. For further support, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you with any questions or additional information you might need. Thank you so much for your time and attention throughout this presentation. Remember, we're committed to supporting you every step of the way as you implement these concepts. If anything comes up or if you'd like to discuss further, just reach out. Thank you again, and I look forward to staying connected.